everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 3.2 of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. Fifth question is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimensions of the garden. Okay, so again we need to solve this graphically because this exercise is about graphical solutions. So the point is rectangular garden is there, and what is the perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 times length plus width. So now we need to assume, see, length is 4 meter more than its width. So what is independent variable in this case? Width. And length is 4 more than the width. So we will assume let width be x meter and length be y meters. Okay. So what is our first condition? That length is 4 more than width. So this is my first equation. So now what is perimeter? Perimeter is 2 times length plus width. Length I have taken y and width as x. So this is the perimeter, but point is half the perimeter. So half the perimeter, okay, this is equal to 36, right? So this will be cancelled. So now we have x plus y is equal to 36. This is our second equation and this is our first equation. So now what is our next step? Make the tables and then we will plot the graph. So first is y is equal to x plus 4. So if x is 0, so then 0 plus 4 will give me 4. Okay. So now see here also 36. So multiples of 4 I am taking. Put x as 4. So if x is 4, 4 plus 4 will give me 8. Okay. So let us suppose I put x as 20. Okay. If x is 20, what will be y? 20 plus 4, it will be 24. Okay. So this is the table for first equation. Let's see now second one, x plus y is equal to 36. Since now bigger numbers are there, so I'll take numbers accordingly. So let x is equal to 8. Because here I am getting all multiples of 4 and 36 also comes in the table of 4, so I am using that property. So if x is 8, what will be y? 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8 will give me 28. Okay. So let's put the next multiple, x as 12. So if it is 12, 12 plus y is equal to 36. So 36 minus 12 will give me 24. Okay. Let's take one more point. Next multiple of 4, it is 16. Okay. If x is 16, y will be 36 minus 16, so it will be 20. Okay, so these 3 points I have taken. So randomly I can take any point. See, in these tables we cannot find a single point which is common in both the tables. We will plot the graph and then we will see what is the intersection points of these straight lines. That will be our solution. Let's plot the graph. For first table, first point is 0, 4. So x is 0, y is 4. See, I have taken all multiples of 4 on both sides because my table is coming like this. Okay. So now let's see. First point is x 0, y 4. Next is 4 with 8. So if x is 4, y is 8. So this point. And third is if x is 20, this thing, y is 24. Okay. So like this. Now let's join these points. Hopefully, yeah, it's a straight line. Okay. So this is our first equation, that is x y is equal to x plus 4, right? So now let's plot the second line. This is point is 8 with 28, okay? If x is 8, y is 28, this point. Next is x is 12, y is 24. So this is 12, this is 24. So third point is x is 16. So this is 16, y is 20. 16 and 20. So I think we got our solution. So this point lies on this line. So like this. Okay. So this is our equation, x plus y is equal to 36. Now what is the solution? Intersection point. And intersection point is my third point. This is x is 16. This is 16 and y is 20. Okay. So means x is 16, y is 20. And what is x? That is width. So we will say therefore, what is width? X value 16 meters. And what is length? This is second value, that is 20 meters. I hope you understood this question. First, what we have done is, on the basis of the word problem, we have framed our equations. Then we have made our tables. On the basis of tables, we have plotted this graph. And the intersection point of this graph will give me the solution of our problem. Okay. So I hope question number 5 is clear to you. Now let's see the next question. So let's see our sixth question. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, this equation is given. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is interesting lines, parallel lines, or coincident lines. That means we have to frame one linear equation in two variables of our own which should satisfy the condition for intersecting lines, parallel lines, and coincident lines. So let us assume the equation to be, so general format is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. And what is the condition for intersecting lines? It should have unique solution, and for unique solution, a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So a1 by a2, a over 2 should not be equal to b over 3. So we should take our a and b in such a way that the ratio should not be equal. So I am taking a as 3, so that this fraction is 3 by 2, and this b as 2, so that this will become 2 by 3. So these values will not be same. Therefore, let a equals to 3, because I want these ratios should not be same. And you are free to use any values, but make sure that ratios are not same. So c, I can take any value, let it be 10, okay? Because c has no role for unique solution. So what will be equation now? 3x plus by. So 2y plus c equals to 0 is the equation which, when used with this given equation, will give us a graph of intersecting lines. So let's see the second one. Again, let your equation be ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So again, given condition is, or given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. And what is the condition for parallel lines? That means it should not have any solution, and that was a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. For, here also you can write for intersecting lines, because we should mention our condition. Here also we should write for parallel lines a1 by a2, that is a over 2, should be equal to b1 by b2, that is b over 3, but it should not be equal to c over minus a. Okay. So now let's put some values in which these two ratios should be same, but it's not equal to our third ratio. So I want this and this to be same. So you can take any value. Suppose I am taking 2 here and 3 here. So 2 by 2 will give me 1. 3 by 3 also give me 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Here I can take C as 10. So 10 by minus 8 is not equals to 1. Or try another value. Take this as 4. So 4 by 2 is 2. Here we take 6. 6 by 3 is also 2. Here you can take again 10. That is 5 over minus 4. So you are free to use any values. There can be more than one solution. So let A I am taking as 2 and B as 3, C as 10. So therefore what is the equation? It should be 2x plus 3y plus 10 equals to 0 is the equation which will give me parallel line when we will plot their graph. Okay. More than one solution is possible for this question. Let's see the third part. Again, assume your equation. Let equation be ax plus by plus c equals to 0. And what is your given equation? This is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. And for coincident line, that means we should have infinite solution. And what is the condition for infinite solutions? a1 by a2. So here in our case, this is a by 2. Should be equal to b1 by b2. Should be equal to c1 by c2. That means all ratios are same. So here this is b over 3 should be equal to c over minus 8. So now I want each ratio to be same. So we can take any value. So again, if I use this method, if I put a as 2, this will be 2 by 2 will give me 1. Here b by 3, so take b also as 3. So that 3 by 3 will give me 1. So I want this also 1. So this is minus 8. Put c also as minus 8. So minus 8 over minus 8 will give me 1. And our ratios are same. So therefore, let a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 8. Therefore, ratios will be same. So again, if you want two number, let it be 4 here. So 4 by 2 is 2. Let it be, I want 2 ratios, so it will be 6 by 3. That is also 2. Here I can put 16, but with minus. Minus 16 over minus 8 will also give me 2. So you can have your own solution. So therefore, equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. So I hope now this is clear how to frame your own equation depending upon our given conditions. So this is our question number 6. So I hope question number 6 is clear to you. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of the same exercise. Thank you.